Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Hey, today we're doing another duo collab today with Chris from East Wind Farms. Hey, we're going to do a stuffed poblano pepper. He's going to do one, I'm going to do one. We're both going to put a spin on it. That's next on Cooking with Corey. Stick around and watch this one, and don't forget to check out Chris's channel. I'll have him up here and I'll have him down there somewhere. Check his channel out. Watch his stuffed poblano. Watch my stuffed poblano. Let's get this cook on next on Cooking with Corey. And what's a Cooking with Corey without going over our ingredients? Hey, we got some heavy whipping cream. We got some delicious apple butter syrup. We got a couple poblanos. We got an Anaheim. He's from our garden. We got an apple. We got some panko breadcrumbs. We got some delicious ground pork. We got some bacon. We got some garlic shallot. Hey. That's right, Chris. Cinnamon's going in this. Hey, that's next. All right, we've got everything set up for Chop-O-Matic. We've got our two poblanos, which are going to be halved. We got an Anaheim, which I'm just going to cut into rings. We got some shallot that I will be small dice, and along with the garlic, that'll be small dice stuff. This wonderful apple, we are going to grate that actually when we mixing it with our ground pork. Chop-O-Matic next. Alright, let's get our ground pork meatloaf slash cinnamon thing going on here. So we got a pound of ground pork that's going into the bowl. And we are going to do a teaspoon and a half of ground cinnamon. So that goes into our bowl there. We are going to put our shallot, our garlic, and our Anaheim onion in there with it. Right there, like so. We're going to put half a cup of panko flakes. We'll go get a couple more things to add to this, and we will be back and finish it off. All right, let's finish it off. I forgot the egg. I forgot the egg in the thing. You guys are gonna need an egg. So yes, one egg goes into the party there. Quarter cup of cream. Obviously, I had a little problem with the cream, so I had to show who's boss. So I did that. Salt, kosher salt, fresh cracked pepper, and we mix. Okay, bring it back. Hey, look, we got this half mixed right here. Look, it's just like, you know, I could do a little better mixing it, but we got to put in our delicious apple. So we're going to grate some apple in there. We're probably going to do half this apple. So just keep grating your apple in. I get half this in. As you can see, we got our half of our apple in there. It took a little doing, but we got her in there, and now we are just gonna mix this all together. Don't try to overwork it. Like I always say, forget the spoon. Throw the spoon away. Get in there with your hands. Don't overwork this. Just get it to come together, like so. And we'll be back, and we will stuff our delicious poblano peppers. All right, time to stuff our delicious poblanos. So we got our poblano here. We take our mixture that we worked really hard on, and that will just go right there. Cover your whole pepper, like so. Nice even layer across your pepper. And there you go. Alright, I'm going to do the other. This would actually make 4, so 2 peppers worth cut in half. You got enough meatloaf mixture, ground pork mixture to do that. Okay, let's bake and wrap our delicious stuffed poblano was stuffed with apple, cinnamon, ground pork, Anaheim peppers, shallot. What else we got in there? Garlic. Did I say garlic? Anyway, so we'll start right here. Bring your bacon around and make sure you're overlapping your bacon like this. See how I'm overlapping that bacon onto that bacon? This will stick together, be like bacon glue out there on that Weber kettle, which is heating up and ready to roll. Next time you see me, we'll be out there. We are back on the back deck on our Weber kettle here. It is time to get our stuffed poblanos on. I'm hoping my bacon's gonna stay. The bacon was very uneven, so the backs of these poblanos not get covered correctly, so I'm hoping that my bacon glue works for me this time. It usually does. Hey, let's let these cook. Let's tempt our delicious little stuffed poblanos, and we are at 165, so let's do a little glaze on the top of these. Our apple butter syrup. Oh yes. Let's just glaze those all on there. Oh, look at that. Look at that deliciousness. These two bad boys are done. Yeah, I think we're all ready to plate this up. See what it looks like on the inside. Alright, this gets us plated up. I mean, my gosh, what a journey. What great flavors we got going on there. Hey, we got our apple syrup right here, apple butter syrup. Let's get some of that on the plate. And we got a star of our show right here, our stuffed poblanos. And they're stuffed with ground pork, cinnamon, shallot, garlic, Anaheim peppers, some delicious panko breadcrumbs, and a lot of other stuff. Doesn't that look delicious, people? It's a flavor bomb. It is a flavor bomb. Hey, this adds some more deliciousness to it. Got a lot of sweet. This has some chilies from our garden in there. This is a red and a green delicious cayenne. And just for Tommy, I'm gonna put a little sprig of parsley on there because, you know, he likes his parsley. Oh, no, that's right. I like my parsley. Anyway, all right, good. Let's get this out of the way. And it is delicious. This cut down in here, over here. And show you what it's looking like here, peeps. Look at that. I'm gonna take a bite here quick. Wowzer. A lot of flavor in there, people. A lot of flavor going on. Try this recipe. Make this recipe. Make this recipe your own. Tweak the ingredients. Do what you need to do to make it fit your family or your taste. Give it a shot, peeps. Hey, I'd like to thank Chris at East Wind Farms again. I can't wait to see your video, Chris. I'm sure it will be great. So don't forget to check Chris's video out. And I will see you guys next week. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Cooking with Corey on YouTube.